Welcome to K Laurel. So today we're gonna be showing you guys
Soup Joumou! How to do Soup
Soup Joumou. And Soup Joumou is what, babe?
Soup Joumou is Haitian. Is a Haitian dish. Something we prepare on January 1st, mostly, but we can do it whenever we want. It's simply the best thing ever.
What is one thing that, like, is this a tradition that you have to do? It's like if you're Haitian, you gotta do this.
Haitian everywhere in the world are always waiting for this day where they can share some soup joumou.
It's so good.
Among friends, family, and if you have a good neighbor who prepares soup joumou,
Yeah.
this day they have to give you some. They have to make sure they know that you're having soup joumou on January 1st.
No matter who it is,
And
whoever's around, they gotta feed their neighbors. This
and
beautiful
also,
soup.
January 1st is Haiti Independence.
Independence. So that's
So-
why, basically, is that where it comes from?
So
Kinda.
we celebrate independence with soup joumou.
I heard
Because-
Soup Joumou is something like, we don't believe in luck, but it's kind of like bad luck to not have Soup Joumou. It brings in that kind of like, I heard that, but I don't think, no? Because we believe in God, so we don't
It's
believe
just
in
like you guys love Christmas.
Yeah, you guys love your Soup Joumou.
We have, and in Christmas you have a special dish,
Turkey.
turkey and stuff like
Stuffing.
that. But for us, we celebrate more the New Year, and
Yeah.
we celebrate it with soup
So
joumou.
beautiful.
And so tomorrow, January 1st, you're gonna be seeing people posting
Soup Joumou everywhere. So we're gonna show our Soup Joumou. And another thing I want to add, he's really great at it, and he's an amazing chef. He's great at cooking everything, and he's amazing at making
Thanks to my
pumpkin
mama.
soup. So just imagine what his Soup Joumou is like. I tried to make it last year by myself because we weren't together, and it was so sad. But I did a good job, and I wish you could have tried it because I really think I did a good job. But this year's gonna be better because we're gonna make it.
Okay. So, what soup joumou is? It's pumpkin soup. The main ingredient one is pumpkin.
Pumpkin. So
See?
he has half a pumpkin.
You gotta make sure you choose the right one. These pumpkin
So this
here,
morning he
I
went
showed you.
out and he picked out all of these perfect
Yeah,
things.
right.
And I could tell he was putting work in because it took him 2 hours to get these ingredients.
You can
Well,
tell.
it was mainly the lime.
You can tell this is a good pumpkin.
Can I smell? Is it good?
Yeah.
I love it.
And the next one, meat. A lot of meat in your soup joumou. And
What kind of meat
not
is it?
any kind of meat. You need meat with bone.
Last year I got
See?
beef. I got
This
like beef with bones.
Well, I decided to do my own thing. So I got beef and pork.
Good, because I love beef.
I
I don't like chicken. We tried chicken.
I don't
It's not so
problem.
great.
No, chicken is not so
It doesn't have flavor of chicken.
It's like a soup for sick people.
Yeah, it is. What is how much did you get? How many pounds? About 2 pounds?
Wow.
That's
Yeah.
about a pound, and that's
It's a
about
lot.
2 pounds.
Yeah.
Maybe 3-4 pounds.
He's got a lot of meat.
A lot of beef. A lot of beef. A lot of pork. And pork is so flavorful, but so I'm really excited for this. So it's,
I've heard people who said, Haitian who said they haven't tried soup joumou with rice. But where I come from, in the province where I came from, we used to do it. And it's very good. But most people use something like this for soup joumou.
what are those?
This is, well,
Rabbit. No,
And-
what are those?
Haitian, any Haitian just gonna say macaroni.
No, we're gonna say spaghetti.
That's not what it is, but
they say either spaghettis or macaroni for everything.
Every Asian gonna tell you this is macaroni.
What is this? These are. Have I ever made these before?
I just know this is the thing that I needed.
Little round things. They don't even have.
This is what we're gonna use.
It's a wheat. Semolina.
That's Italian.
Semolina. I've heard this before, and if you look on a restaurant, you kind of know what you're getting.
And another ingredient for our beautiful Soup Joumou is cauliflower. So this is
something
telling
you need?
This not good.
Do you always put it in?
It's good.
It's good.
And that means you can make your Soup Joumou a little healthy. And I decided that I'm gonna use potatoes from the dead.
From the dead?
From the dead is the name.
From the dead.
From the dead.
From the dead.
This is
Did I say it right? Did I say it right?
from the dead.
From the dead.
From
From
the
From the
dead.
dead. From the dead.
Yeah.
From the dead.
Yeah. Potatoes.
You know, I'm learning my Creole. I'm sorry, but.
Some potatoes. And spices. Also.
I'm learning.
I'm gonna use some carrots. Some carrots, not much. Just a little bit.
Is that so? Carrots, cauliflower, and potatoes are the main ones. Do you use the other yams?
You can.
He puts yams in his soup, and I love yams. Yams. Why do I love yams so much? I don't know.
I do whatever I want, and they love it.
Oh, so good.
And for the seasoning, we have to season.
I could cook, just by the way, but soup, that's his thing.
Haitian.
But I would be good if I
Don't like
practice.
non-seasoning meat. Before you cook everything together, you have to prepare a good seasoning meat. So you need all these type of ingredients. Seasoning,
pepper,
liquid,
You put
pepper,
garlic.
lots of garlic,
Yeah.
and
Some soups just don't do garlic, and I love garlic.
cloves. What I do with the cloves and all the stuff, I just mash them with the garlic, and after that,
You mash the cloves and the garlic?
Yeah.
And what are these?
It's like pepper too, but
Okay, yeah.
and if you want, that's optional. You can use one of these bouillon. It's
He
just
can
to
make
add
the
some
flavor without,
flavor,
but it's just one of those
It's
extra.
just if you want. And those are the basics of what I use
Anything
to
you
make
missed?
my Soup Joumou. But remember, I'm not in Haiti. We don't have the same
We're in Dominican
thing.
Republic, so.
We don't have the same things here that we have in Haiti to make our Soup Joumou. And in Haiti, we use a bunch of spices to cook, natural spices.
Yeah.
And
I want to
here,
try your mom's
I had
soup
to,
joumou.
I had to buy
I
something
wonder
like
if that'd be
that.
good.
That's the So
She should ship some over to us. I don't know how, because it's hard enough for us to get there, but I need some of that Mama Michelle soup.
So
Well, not. Her last name's not Michelle, but
Paul.
yeah, Paul or whatever.
And this is some of the ingredients that we use to make Soup Joumou in our restaurant. Are you excited?
Yeah. So tomorrow is January 1st. So tonight we're going to be selling the new year. Hopefully this man won't fall asleep, which probably 98%. He's probably going to do it because he can't stay up.
Only if you
I
choose.
try to get him to watch a movie, and you don't know how I'm like, wake up! This man cannot stay awake, so you are gonna do it tonight. I don't care what you say, and don't get mad at me, okay?
I don't fall asleep when I like the movie. So
It's so annoying, like, and he gets mad at me for keeping him up. And it's like, okay, tonight, no excuses. It's New Year's, so I'm sorry. You're gonna have to suffer.
So what can help someone stay off? Coffee doesn't help me.
No, it doesn't help me either. I think doing stuff, running around.
Okay, I'll be running around the house.
We can't go out, so we can't go at past 7, right?
So you guys stay tuned because you're gonna.
Tomorrow is our special day, and we're gonna be posting it hopefully the same day. But you said that you can make soup joumou within the first 15 days. It's all like, as long as it's in the first 15 days after New Year's.
I came from the countryside, so we share food with the neighbors. Whenever you cook,
Everybody
you serve
has
your neighbors a plate.
Yeah.
So if I make soup joumou today, my neighbors are not going to cook today because they're gonna be full with their soup
And your
joumou
mom
stuff.
cooks a lot, and she makes
They
me
make
a
a
lot.
lot. They cook a lot of this.
No one's hungry.
No one's hungry. You spend the whole day eating.
Just
eating
eating.
soup joumou. So
I'm not mad at that. And if you had it too, you wouldn't be mad.
actually, I like this type of community.
That's so
stuff.
nice.
But
Everybody loves a good
when
meal.
you're living in the city, you don't have that. Everybody loves in their own apartment, your house. They don't share it. Sometimes you don't even know the neighbor who
That's
lives
not-
next to you.
Yeah. I know. It's like bonus. It's like good things and bad things that come from the city.
Yeah,
But,
exactly.
but stay tuned and ready.
Just cleaned.
So this is the meat.
I
He just
wash it
cleaned.
with, lime because Haitians always wash the meat with a lot of lime, and if we don't have lime we can use vinegar, but we prefer lime. And something special we use is like lime too, but it's called lime C. So if you don't have lime, you can use vinegar too.
Ooh.
You're gonna love how I'm going to season this meat. I just cleaned it and it already smell good. So imagine when I season it.
Oof. I'm excited. Ooh, 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 ooh. So we got the garlic in here. How many cloves are you putting? Half a bulb?
For one.
So like
A lot.
8 cloves.
A lot.
Yeah.
And also chive.
Just gonna ground those up.
Smash.
Smash.
Yes.
But
sir.
you get it pretty ground up. So.
And also I'm gonna, after I smash this a little bit, I'm gonna add the chive. And this is what the Haitian call a piece. A piece.
Show a little smashing action.
In Haiti, we call bouillon.
Cloves.
And
For all my Canadians.
spice.
Woo. It's a little dark here, so the quality's not so great, but it's okay. We just want to show you the preparation that goes into
This is
the
the
food.
seasoning part.
So this is just cloves.
Yeah.
And then what else are you gonna smash up? Anything else?
Yeah. Garlic and chive.
For tonight to let it sit in
Yeah.
the okay.
By tomorrow, this is gonna smell so freaking good.
So are you done for tonight or anything? So you did the meat, you cleaned it. You're gonna season it, let it sit overnight, and then anything else? And that's it?
Tomorrow early, what I'm gonna do is boil the meat, the meat, and Make soup joumou.
Yeah. So do you want to sign off?
Huh?
Sign off for tonight?
That's all for tonight.
Give it a kiss. Look at the master doing his thing.
Ooh, soup joumou, baby. Woo. Look at this. Show that.
I just woke up and I look like a hot mess.
Show that.
But
show
right
that.
here, this don't look like a hot mess. I'm gonna show you.
Smell good.
So what do we got in here? So we got the beef. We got the pork.
Beef, pork, potatoes. I already cooked the pumpkin and blended. See this? The pumpkin. Very soft and creamy. And I put the pumpkin already. That's why it looks so creamy.
Yeah.
So it's not done yet. This is just part of the process.
Well, I hope not, because the
I just
noodles
put-
aren't done.
I just put the noodles, and you can see the meat so well cooked. Look at the bun.
Yeah.
There's no meat in it anymore because. So look at this. Look at this. You wanna try?
No,
Not yet.
I need my coffee first.
Huh? Excuse me.
He's up here while I wake up and he's already making soup joumou.
I need a little bit of noodles because this soup joumou is for a lot of people.
You put a lot. I like lots of noodles.
I have friends who hasn't tried this yet, and they want to try it. For the first time.
I like all that. Okay,
And-
I'm gonna end the video.
Wait.
It's almost done. It's almost done.
And today is Independence Day in Haiti. Happy Independence Day for my Haitians everywhere in the world.
Woo! Okay, so the soup joumou is what?
Done.
Finito! Woo! Happy Haitian Independence Day, y'all. This is a special day, and just from me being with a Haitian man who was born in Haiti and learning about Haiti, this day should be celebrated among the whole world because truly Haiti's been through a lot, and we can all say that Haiti is a strong, independent, beautiful country that is always there for their neighbors. So we should support them and celebrate Happy Independence Day, right?
I don't know. I'm in trouble with this soup. Everybody wants soup now. I don't know what to do.
Everyone wants it?
Yeah.
Well, they better, because look at this soup. It looks so fresh and good. Okay, I'm ready to eat. Are we gonna eat?
I'm gonna eat. Seems like I have to share too.
I'm just so excited. I love you, baby.
I love you. Sapase.
Sakpase na bule.
I did
Sakpase na bule. Hey. See, I know a little bit. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Maybe we'll show you when we're eating it and see my reaction. I already know it's gonna be good. My husband is sending off a bunch of containers full of soup joumou, and I'm like, babe, no, this is for us. But I guess I will allow some people to have some. This is amazing. I think it's the best soup joumou I've ever had. I'm not even lying. No cap. No cap. This is so good, baby. Good job. Woo! Working hard in the kitchen paid off. This is so good. Look at this soup. This is the type of soup that people would fight to the death for. Because look at this. So good. Woo! Good job, baby. Like, I'm not going to lie. I've been waiting for this soup for so long. And you don't understand. If you've never had this, get yourself a Haitian boo or get a Haitian friend. End this off and say, Happy Haitian Independence Day.
Yeah.